What we see a lot of time with customers is people just don't know what exists out there, what capabilities are in the software. And that's one thing that I think we do a really good job with in our training courses, is the ability to kind of shed light on a lot of the different topics and functionality that are available within the software. And I think it's also kind of a responsibility that we have as trainers is really challenging the customers to maybe look at things from a different perspective or some different approaches. Throughout all of our lessons, we go back and forth between lecture and hands-on activities and live demos. So it's not all lumped, lecturing for 8 hours a day. We try to maintain the virtual classes in much the same way that we would if we were in person. I'm Vincent. I'm an applications engineer specializing in the CAM module, manufacturing module at Swoosh Technologies.